If x is a matrix 1 0 0 2 and y is a matrix 3 0 0 4, then x is equal to yx. The general solution of the given differential equation is y is equal to cx. The distance between the two planes is 2 upon root 29 units. Let x be a square matrix of order 3 3, then kx, where k is a scalar number, is equal to k raised to the power 3. Then next, area lying in the first quadrant bounded by a circle x is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 4, and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 is pi. Then the conditional probability is not defined. The mathematical expression for the definition of continuity is, इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी. What is the magnitude of the given vector minus 3i cap plus 5j cap root 34? The function fx is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3 is continuous. The given function the function given by fx is equal to cos x is first decreasing and then increasing in 0 to pi interval. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x at x is equal to 2 is 11. Then the antiderivative of gx is fx. The correct answer regarding the relation is f is 1 1 and on to. Question number 14. The inverse of a for the addition operation plus on r is minus a. If sine inverse x is equal to y, then minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 के बीच में y lie करेगा. Next question. Question number 16. If the order of a matrix is m into n, where mn and are the numbers of rows in column, the number of elements in the matrix will be mn. The matrix X is a symmetric matrix. The number of arbitrary constant in general solution of a linear differential equation of fourth order are 4. Which of the following differential equation has y is equal to c1 e raised to the power x plus c2 minus e raised to the power minus x as the general solution? D square y dx square minus y is equal to 0. The determinant of the given matrix is 0. देन इसको इंटीग्रेट करना था. इसका आंसर होगा आपका ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. इफ ए इज अ नॉन जीरो वेक्टर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ए एंड लैम्डा इज अ नॉन जीरो स्केलर, देन लैम्डा इंटू ए इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर ऑफ 1 बाय लैम्डा. द नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन ऑफ लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम इज फंक्शन टू बी ऑप्टिमाइज्ड. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका एक्स साइन एक्स. देन 25 इंटीग्रेट करना था हमें. आंसर आएगा आपका सी. In a box containing 100 bulbs and 10 are defective, the probability that out of a sample of 5 bulbs none is defective is 9 by 10 raised to the power 5. The order and degree of the given differential equation is, order is 3 and degree is 2. If a, b, c are directional ratios of line and l, m and r direction cosines, then for mu being a constant, which of the following is true? Option A. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Magnetic field intensity. A feasible solution to a linear programming problem must satisfy all of the problem's constraints simultaneously. The energy of hydrogen atom when electron is in second orbit is minus 13.6 electron volts. Next, in the nuclear reactors, the control rods are made up of cadmium. If the electric field is uniform, then the electric lines of force are parallel. Consider an electric dipole of length L and electrostatic potential on the perpendicular bisector is 0. Triple point of water is 0.01 centigrade. Question number 36. Light energy emitting by star is due to joining of nuclei. Potential barrier developed in a junction diode opposes the flow of minority carriers only. Next question. At a temperature T in equilibrium, root mean square speed of O2 molecules is 100 meter per second. Then Vrms of H2 gas molecule at the same temperature would be (4,000 meter per second). In a SHM, if maximum values of displacement and speed are 10 and 100 meter per second, then maximum value of acceleration would be 1000 meter per second square. Out of hydrogen, helium and nitrogen and carbon dioxide, which gas has maximum speed of sound waves at STP? Hydrogen. Taking out the bulk modulus of water as 2.2 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square and G is equal to 10 meter per second square. The fractional compression of water at a depth of 3 km in the ocean is 0.0136. Lens used in magnifying glass is convex lens. In Young's double slit experiment, the shape of the interference fringes formed on the screen is straight line. When the velocity of an electron increases, its de Broglie wavelength decreases. In which of the following cases electric field strength is independent of distance due to infinite flat sheet of uniform charge distribution? The physical quantity expressed in Henry is self-inductance. Due to relative motion of magnet with respect to coil, an EMF is induced in the coil. Identify the principle involved. Faraday's law. When an AC is passed through a pure inductance, the average power of dissipation in that inductance is 0. In a purely resistive circuit, the current is in the phase with EMF. In an electromagnetic wave, electric field to magnetic field in SI unit is C:1. The electromagnetic waves propagate through both E and B, electric field and magnetic fields. The electromagnetic waves travel in the direction of E cross B. The colors seen in the reflected white light from a thin oil film are due to interference. How to decrease the capacity of the parallel plate capacitor? Increase the area of the plate. Kirchhoff's junction rule in an electric circuit deals with the conservation of charge. Two bulbs marked 100 watt and 220 watts are connected in series with 220 volt supply. The power consumed by the combination will be 50 watts. In a current carrying conductor, the ratio of electric field and current density is called resistivity. Question number 57. The SI unit of magnetic flux density is Tesla. A moving charge produces both electric and magnetic fields. A charged particle enters at 30 degrees to the magnetic field. Its path becomes helical. The nature of the force between two parallel wires carrying current in the same direction is attractive. 61. A stationary magnet does not interact with stationary charge. Earth's magnetic field inside a closed iron box as compared to the outside is less. In mechanical system, inductance plays the role of inertia. Question number 64. What is the maximum relative error density in kg per liter of the object? इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी. नंबर ऑफ significant figures in the given number are 10. Then question number 66. Average speed of the object over one round trip is 48 meter per second. Next question. Addition of vectors is both commutative and associative. A scalar quantity is that has the same value for observing different orientation of axes. Then impulse produced during collision of the object with the ground is 100 kg. Then there is an isolated system of an interacting object. The momentum of the system at t is equal to 0 will be remain the same. Magnitude of work done on the drop by the resistive force of air is 8.75 joules. Then the object explodes in air before hitting the ground and splits into many fragments. Ignoring the air resistance, motion of the center of the mass after explosion will be remain parabola. Then at STP, the ideal gas law is exactly followed by all the gases. Then question number 74. At which temperature numerical values in Celsius and Fahrenheit are same? -40, which is the weakest fundamental force in nature. Gravitation. When the distance between two charged particles is half, the Coulomb force will become 4 times. Then question number 77. The SI unit of electric dipole moment. इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन सी. A Carnot engine operates between 27 and 127 degrees centigrade. Efficiency of the Carnot engine is 25%. The dimensions of viscosity are ml-1 t-1. Choose the correct option between the surface tensions of mercury, water and ethanol at 20 degrees centigrade. इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी. Nascent hydrogen consists of hydrogen atoms with excess energy which has the maximum electropositive character. CS. Hardness of water is due to the pair of ions Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus. Total number of Bravais lattices in the crystal structure are 14. The bond angle around the atom which uses sp2 hybridization is 120 degrees according to the Lewis acid, and acid is electron pair acceptor. Question number 87. Which of the following is not a redox reaction? Dissolving salt in water. Which of the following molecular formula belongs to alkyne series? C9H16. Then next question, two polymorphic forms of sulfur are rhombic and monoclinic. Which element possesses the properties of both alkali metals and halogens? Hydrogen. As we proceed from left to right in groups, what happens to non-metallic nature? As we proceed from question number 91, इसका आंसर है आपका increase. Which of the following substance has the highest melting point? Chloromethane. Drugs that prevents an enzyme's binding site from a substrate is known as inhibitors. Which of the following does not belong in the category of electrochemical cells? इसका आंसर है आपका photovoltaic cells. Then Thomson's plum pudding model of atom consists of distributions of negatively charged particles in uniformly distributed positive charge. Question number 96. Carbon bond length of ethane, ethene, acetylene and benzene follows the order. इसका आंसर है आपका C. The gas released in Bhopal gas tragedy was. इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी, मिथाइल आइसोसाइनेट. Then in 30 minutes first order reaction is 50% completed. Time it takes for completion of 87.5% of the reaction is 90 minutes. Question number 99. Which metal is used as an electroplated protective covering? Chromium. In the zone melting approach, which of the following principle is used? Impurities concentrate in the liquid phase and then in the solid phase.